All right, welcome back. We're going to solve one last thing on using elimination. All right, on how to solve these problems. All right, actually, how to solve the system. And this one, we're going to use elimination as well. Kind of give it away. But in this problem, we're going to solve the system. We're going to solve this linear system. And we're going to try to figure out how to do that. What we have right here is 2x plus 5y equals 13. 6x plus 2y equals negative 13. We can either use elimination or we can use substitution. Key thing is when you're using substitution, do you have, all right, a variable that's all by itself, no coefficient? And the answer is no. So substitution, not working in this one. We're going to use elimination to help us solve this one algebraically. Now to do that, I'm going to take this and shrink it down so I have more room for a little bit. To do this, what we're going to do is we're going to try to figure out which values can we eliminate. Well, it appears that I have a 6x and a 2x. Those seem pretty close because it appears I can just take this top one and multiply it by 3. When I do that, what we have is negative 6x. That's going to turn to negative 15y, and that's going to equal negative 39. The bottom stays the same, so we have 6x plus 2y, and that's going to equal negative 13. And now we're going to add these two values together. This is going to cancel out. We're going to come down here, and we're going to have negative 13y. This right here is going to be negative, oops, hello, 52. Sorry about that. Negative 52. All right. If I did that right, 2, 1. Yep, negative 52. And now we're going to divide by 13, negative 13. If I did everything right, just making sure. Negative 6, negative 9, negative 2. All right, yep. Y equals negative 52 divided by negative 13. And what we have here is this can be simplified to, I believe 13 goes to 52 is going to be 4. All right. And because the negatives cancel out, and you have 4 times 13, that's 52. That's what we have for our y value. Y equals 4. All right. Once you get our y equaling 4, we now are going to find our x value. And to find our x value, we're going to plug that y value back in here. So we're going to pick, I don't know, we'll pick the top one. Why not? All right. So we're going to take 2x plus 5 times 4 is going to equal 13. That's going to equal 20 right here equals 13. Don't forget the 2x right there. Subtract 20 both sides. Subtract 20 both sides. And we have negative 7 equals 2x. And x, my friends, is going to equal negative 7 halves. All right, so we got x equal negative 7 halves. And then our final answer then, our solution, you can write this out as our point of intersection. All right, and what we have is negative 7 halves and 4. And that's our solution. All right, and that's putting everything together. All right, well, let's try one more. All right, one more. This will be the last one I have for the tutorial. Right here, we're going to use, once again, not substitution. We don't have any of the y or x values all by itself. So we're going to use elimination. Help us figure this out. All right. And to do that, I'm going to actually take and multiply this top by 2. I'm going to get rid of the y's. All right. I have a negative here, so I don't multiply by any negatives and whatnot. So we're going to have this 12x. It's going to be negative 8y. That's going to equal 28. The bottom is going to stay the same. I'm not changing that up at all. All right. We got 21. And we're going to add those together. And what we have then here is 14x. These will cancel out. And then we're left with 49. We're going to then divide by 14. So we have 49 divided by 14. And we can simplify this. Take out a 7. So we have a 7 and a 2, 7 halves. So x is going to equal 7 halves in this puppy. That was pretty not too bad. We're going to take our x value and we're going to plug it back in here. So I'm going to plug it into here because I noticed that I have a 2 here. So I'm going to have a 2 times 7 halves plus 8y equals 21. These 2's will cancel out. We're left with 7 plus 8y equals 21. I'm going to subtract the 7 to the other side. Subtract 7, subtract 7. And what we then have is, oops, hello, just missed. 8y equals 14. And that's a 4, by the way. All right, and then y is going to equal 14 divided by 8. Take out a 2, so we have 2 7/4. And and that is what we have there for our y value. And so we have a solution then. I'll just put it right here. A solution. All right, here's our point of intersection. X is 7/2. Y is 7/4. Not the nicest thing, but wasn't too bad to do. All right, and that is our answer for that one, that solution of this system right here. Well, I hope that helps you out on how to understand how to solve a system using elimination, how to distinguish when you would use elimination or substitution. Honestly, it doesn't matter what one you choose. But whatever you do, I always say just do it correctly and make sure you don't break any algebra rules. All right, well, hope that helps you. Good luck and God bless in the rest of your problems.